Here's a quick little video about multiplying fractions and whole numbers. I know this can kind of be confusing. The first thing you need to do is our step 1, where we're changing that whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. So in both cases, we'll put it over 1. Our step 2 is where we multiply across. Remember, when we multiply fractions, we're going straight across. So we go straight across for your 6 times 4. You go straight across for your 9 times 1. Please do not forget that fraction bar. Same on this one. We go straight across for our 3 times 7. We go straight across for our 14 times 1. Let's simplify those out by multiplying. 6 times 4 is 24. 9 times 1 is 9. 3 times 7 is 21. 14 times 1 is 14. All right, we're not done because we need to reduce. And we need to reduce 2 ways. If we can birthday cake, let's birthday cake. So let's look at our divisibility rules on this one. Can we birthday cake this guy? 2 doesn't work on both, because 2 will work on 24 because it ends in 4, but 2 does not work on 9. Let's do the 3 check. Let's add 4 and 2. That makes 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. So 24 is divisible by 3. We know 9 is divisible by 3 because it's a single digit, and we just know that. So we can birthday cake this guy before we do our next step. So let's put our 24 and our 9 in our birthday cake layer. We're going to take a 3 out of there. 3 can't go into 2, so we have to go 3 into 24, which goes, looking at our multiplication chart, goes 8 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times. Excuse the mom there. All right, now we're left with the fraction 8 over 3. We cannot leave it like that. We still have to reduce it. This is one where we're changing that improper fraction to a mixed number. So remember, when we change an improper fraction to a mixed number, we have to do some division. So remember, this 8, our top number, goes on the inside. Our bottom number, or our denominator, goes on the outside. Let's divide that out. 3 goes into 8 2 times. Our number down here is 6. We're left with 2. So our whole number is our top number. Our numerator is our 2. So we're going to write our big 2 for our whole number here. Our fraction bar, our little